So we're going to do our cat stretch. It's a little bit different to a yoga cat stretch. So you're going to set up shoulders, elbows, wrists lining up, hips are over your knees. Yep. Widen your fingertips. You're going to push up from the mat so you're activating your back muscles. Shins are going to push into the mat. We're going to go into a lumbar flexion. That means you're going to tuck your tail under. Just think like an angry cat. Pubic bone to belly button. Inhale, you're going to come to a nice flat back. Maintain that flat back. As you start to lift the head, turn the shoulders out and you're just going to stick your bum out a little bit so those sit bones widen. Exhale, deep lumbar flexion looking to your belly button, rounding through the lower back, and inhale, coming to that upper back extension. Very important because you spend a lot of time with your upper back rounding forward, feeding your baby. So we need to do that upper back extension. So this is a great one to do every day. Even if you just do 5 or 6 every day, it will make a difference. 2 more here. Last one. Pull back into a rest pose. Reach those fingertips away. Breathing into the lower back. One more here. And that's your cat stretch.